Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Math Master Class, and today we are going to learn one more important topic which is related to the integers, and the question is from problem set 7, write the proper sign less than, greater than and is equal to in the proper boxes. Okay, so children, when we solve such a type of a question, so that time we have to take the help of number line. Now I am drawing one number line on the board. Everyone pay attention. See children, this is our number line. This is our center. Positive numbers are here. Okay, and same like negative numbers are also here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4. Now see children, when we have to put the sign less than, greater than or equal to, so that time already we learned that question from 3rd standard onwards. Okay, means smaller numbers and bigger numbers, we compare it. For example, see 4 and 5. So if we have to compare the number, so whatever the bigger number is there, so we have to put the open mouth to there, correct? So now 5 is bigger number, so we have to sign like this, means alligator sign we have to put in front of 5, because 5 is bigger number and 4 is smaller number. But when we solve integers, okay, so that time positive numbers are also there and negative numbers are also there. For example, see -4 and 5. So always remember, when such a type of a sign we have to use for the compare the number, so that time always attention that all the right hand side, means whatever the numbers which are lying on the right hand side, okay, so those having negative sign and those are always smaller. Got my point? And whatever the numbers which we have to see in a right side, so those are always bigger. Got it? जैसे जैसे हम लोग राइट साइड में जाते हैं तो वैसे वैसे एक एक नंबर बढ़ते जाता है, मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग वे, और जैसे जैसे एक एक हम लोग राइट हैंड साइड में जाते हैं निगेटिव वे में, तो एक एक नंबर क्या होता है, कम कम होते जाता है, मतलब उसका वैल्यू जो है वो कम हो जाता है. सो -4 and 5, विच इज बिगर 5, बिकॉज 5 इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर. देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल -4 and -3. ओके, नाउ -4 and -3, तो जो नंबर जैसे हम लोग whenever we have to solve such a type of a number, so that time observe that -4 and -3, actually -3 is the bigger number and -4 is smaller number. Okay, so we have to put the sign like this. Got my point everyone? Same like suppose we have to write down 0 and -2. So 0 and -2. So this is the smallest number and 0 is the bigger number. Understood everyone? So such a type of numbers we have to use. For example, -2 and 2. So 2 is positive, therefore this is our bigger number. Okay, same like for example -3 and -5 for example. So -3 is here and -5 is there. तो जैसे जैसे हम लोग राइट हैंड साइड में जाते हैं तो वैसे वैसे जो नंबर्स का वैल्यू है, अगर हम लोग निगेटिव लाइन में जा रहे हैं, मतलब राइट हैंड साइड में, तो जैसे जैसे नंबर आगे आगे जाते हैं वैसे वैसे उसका जो वैल्यू है वो कम कम होते जाता है. मतलब अगर -3 जो है उससे -5 जो है वो बड़ा है, मीन्स -3 इज बिगर देन -5. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Such a type of numbers we have to solve in problem set 7. So children, understood everyone how to solve this? So if you like my channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.